Should you work hard or smart? If you've been on this planet for quite a time, you've probably already heard about these debates whether you should work hard or smart. And some people even brag about it. Some people feel like their whole reputation is based on how they work, whether you're working smart or you work hard. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this debate is first because people are trying to find the road to wealth. Without any arguments, we all know that the road to wealth is working. Whether you work on a business or whether you work as an employee, the road to wealth is through to work. And therefore, the fierce debate has been if you work smart or if you work hard. Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we will dive into what is the core debate here and what we should be focusing on, whether you should be working hard or whether you should be working smart. Hi, welcome to this video. My name is Chris Kobe, and in this video, I will dive into something that you already encounter on a daily basis, working. Well, you already know that our society is a society of a working society. You don't see anybody that isn't working. Everybody is working. Everybody is doing something. So if you are someone inspired by wealth or even just the welfare, the well-being of your own home or just yourself, you are wondering how you should work. And I have had tons of friends with whom we have had this kind of argument or debate of how you should work. And some people find the pressure in debating that I'm working smart, or some people find the pressure in I work more harder. Well, this all comes down to how people think they should work in order to become successful. And you maybe have already had such a conversation with someone, or probably you've seen a video or thousands of video on the internet talking about this kind of thing, whether you should work smart or whether you should work hard. But here is the thing, it doesn't even matter if you work smart or hard. That doesn't matter, because here is the thing, look at all these successful people. All of them work smart, all of them work hard. But also look at someone in your life. Probably look at where you live. There is someone there that's working so hard and perhaps working even smart, but yet is not successful. Personally, I know a lot of people in my family that work so hard and that even work smart, but they are not successful. I mean, they are not rich as you would think of. So, is it the problem being working smart or is the problem being working hard? The problem is not even at the working at all. The problem is not even there. So, here first, what I want to tell you: if something is being mediatized, I mean, something is being constantly talked in the broad media, it is mostly not the thing that is important to talk about. This means if something is publicized, is something is put out to the masses, is something that's necessarily not what is the point of what is the important thing in that matter. Because in the road of wealth, the real secret of wealth is not talked about on the internet. I mean, virtually, no one is going to teach you how to become rich. Impossible. Virtually. Nobody is going to teach you how to become rich. People are going to give you different kind of perspective on how to be rich. Even for instance, I'm giving you perspective on how to be rich. I'm not going to teach you exactly how to become rich. Now, here's the thing. You see, all these people talking about all these things, they have different kind of say to them, but all of them just have like a kind of philosophical ideology to this concept. And here is what we are going to see first. We will see that the core principle here is not even about the working. It is about what you choose to work at, what you choose to work on. You see, these rich people are working hard at something that is scalable. I mean, something that's a reward hugely. If you work on something that is not reward, that cannot reward you so huge, then you can work hard, you can work smart, it doesn't matter. And this is the thing. They are promoting this to you to work hard or to work smart, just bragging about working hard or smart at something that doesn't even pay you for working hard or for working smart. It doesn't matter. There are things that even if you work hard or if you work smarter, won't give you, it won't get you to anywhere. So probably it doesn't even matter what you do, what you are, if you are working hard or if you are working smart. It matters more what you do. The thing you do is what matters most. Now think about it. You see all these entrepreneurs have new services and they talk about this as well. If you like, if they tell you to work harder, tell you to work smarter. Now what are they working on? They are working on something that is scalable. They are working a product, they are working on a service that is scalable. But you may be on this business, or you may be working on something that is not scalable, and then you are trying to work hard on it, you're trying to work smarter, and you feel the burnout because probably you cannot get anywhere. We just working hard or working smarter on something that is not scalable, on something that doesn't reward hugely. And there is a principle on here, which is the business principle. And there is a book I'm reading, for instance, that talks about this thing that you can learn and understand the principle of business, how you can analyze any kind of business idea that you have, and to approve the business idea first in order to know if this business is worthy and if you can duplicate and scale this business. And that book is the personal MBA. That book is some book in the book I bought in 2020. I never really read it, but I started rereading it recently, and it is amazing because actually it helps you first to understand the core of business. Something that is taught in business schools. You just read it and understand the kind of principle that lay behind businesses and how you can first from business idea to implementation, how you can follow all these steps and do all this. Then so here is the thing: working hard or working smart, it doesn't matter. But what matters most is what you choose to work on. And I hope you are working on something that is rewarding. I hope you're working on something that reward extremely huge. Because if you don't, then probably you won't get anywhere even if you work hard or if you work smart. Then preferably you want to work on something that most people want the most. For instance, think about phones. Like everybody do need phone, and the phone manufacturer, if they work hard or they work smart, it pays them the most because a lot of people need their solution. A lot of people need what they are producing. Think about even Facebook, all these tech company. If they work hard or they work smart, it pays because someone needs their solution. Everybody, virtually everybody needs the solution. So if they work hard and they work smart, it doesn't matter. It pays. And before even knowing how to work smart, you have to work hard. You have to work enough. You have to work hard enough until you feel like, I don't want to work hard this way. I want to automate all these things so that I work smarter, I work more easier. That's it. Before you understand how to work smarter, you work hard, and then you will know how to work smart. So I just think that is it, and just let me know what you think about that. And if you're working hard or working smart, it doesn't matter. It matters more what you work on, because you think about it, what you work on, if nobody needs it, it doesn't matter if you work hard or you work smart, because to make money you want to sell whatever you're producing to people, and it is people that pay you money for whatever you're producing. And if nobody needs you, then probably it doesn't matter if you work hard or you work smart. So you think about that. Think about that. Take some time and think about it. If you're working on something that is really scalable, then even working hard or smarter doesn't matter. Like, just do whatever it feels good to you, and you are good to go. And ladies and gentlemen, that was it. Working hard or working smarter. Or let me know what you think in the comment section. If you're working hard or if you're working smarter, let me know if you think that is valuable to you or if you learn something from this video. Have a good day and enjoy your business, enjoy your work, and I think you are having a good time and that you are developing and growing fast. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. It was Kobe, and this is 12th of February 2025. So I hope you have an amazing one. Thank you.